Xiaomi spins Poco into an independent brand ahead of rumored launch of Poco F2 and Poco X2. After spinning Redmi into an independent brand last year, Xiaomi has made Poco into an independent brand as well. The Poco F2 is coming soon. Xiaomi India has announced its plan to spin off Poco as an independent brand. The announcement comes amidst rumors of Poco F2 being in works. Xiaomi introduced Poco as a sub-brand in 2018. It was a small team led by former Xiaomi executive Jay Mani. The brand launched its first smartphone in the form of Poco F1, which received critical acclaim. Soon after its launch, the smartphone became a popular device on Flipkart. While Xiaomi has not introduced a new model, the Poco F1 continues to remain popular among consumers. Now, the company is giving more power to Poco brand by making it independent from Xiaomi India. The Chinese smartphone maker said that the brand will have its own team and go-to-market strategy. Xiaomi made Redmi into an independent brand in China last year. This allowed the brand to introduce mid-range flagship devices in the form of Redmi K20 series. With consumers asking Xiaomi India for Poco F2 almost every day on Twitter, this should come as a welcome move. This will finally allow Poco to compete with Redmi and Xiaomi's own Mi brands in the smartphone market. What started as a sub-brand in Poco has grown into its own identity in a short span of time. Manu Jain, Managing Director, Xiaomi India, said in a statement, Poco F1 is an extremely popular phone across user groups, and remains a top contender in its category even in 2020. We feel the time is right to let Poco operate on its own now, which is why we are excited to announce that Poco will spin off as an independent brand, he added. Jay Mani, the former product manager of Poco Global, left Xiaomi last year. Alvin Tse, who was head of Pocophone Global, was recently made GM of Xiaomi Indonesia. It is still not clear who will lead Poco brand in India. Seeman Mohan is the general manager of Poco India. He might take the reins of the newly formed independent brand. With Poco F2 and Poco X2 getting certified, we might finally see Poco announce its second smartphone